Epic ES-7000K is a stylish mini main-type door lock with a mirrored top plate on the outer body. Upon purchase, the components of the product consist of the outer body, inner body, strike, screw, battery, user manual, and trace form. When installing the product, you will need a drill, 32 holes, 4mm drill blade, screwdriver. After setting to the left or right direction of the mortise, insert the mortise cable inward and fix its position. Insert the shaft from the outside to the inside of the hole and fix it with a ring clip. After setting to the left or right directions of the outer body handle, insert the cable of the outer body through the hole and then place the handle to match the shaft. Then slide the outer body cable and mortise cable into the inside of the inner body deco plate and lightly secure it with screws. Check that the product is secured in place and attach it completely with screws. After setting to the left or right direction of the inner body handle, insert the front cable and the mortise cable into place and fix the inner body with screws. Install the striker on the door frame with the magnet facing down. Close the cover after installing the battery in the inner body. Insert the mechanical key and test unlocking. Touch the default registration number 1234* and finish the operation test.